How to fix Bluetooth on-off switch missing in Windows, Bluetooth not showing in Device Manager. First step, restart the Bluetooth support service. Open Run, type the following text services.msc, click OK, scroll down, search for Bluetooth support service, right click, click Properties. The startup type should be in automatic or manual, depends on you, but the service status should be in running mode. One more time, right click, click Restart. Close it. Next step, show hidden device in Device Manager. Search for Device Manager, click it, click View option, select Show Hidden Devices. After selecting, you need to click the Bluetooth option, click it, and scan for hardware changes. Right click, click Scan for hardware changes, wait for some time. One more time, right click and update the device. Close it and come to next step. Search for command prompt, right click, click Run as Administrator, type the text sfc /scan now, click enter and wait for some time. Once the scanning complete, after it start verifying the files in your device. The verification is ongoing. After completing, exit it, restart your device. Thank you.